Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been battling stubborn belly fat that just won't disappear, no matter how hard you diet or exercise, what if I told you the solution might be as simple as improving your sleep? Today we're revealing the science behind Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a revolutionary natural supplement that works while you sleep to help melt away unwanted fat. Unlike anything you've tried before, this powerful formula contains clinically proven ingredients like organic valerian root to enhance deep sleep where most fat burning occurs, premium hops extract to regulate your body's natural rhythms, and pharmaceutical grade 5-HTP to control cravings and emotional eating. When taken nightly, users report losing 1-2 inches from their waistline in just the first month, along with better sleep quality and morning energy levels. The secret lies in its 3-phase action. First, detoxifying your cells, then boosting metabolism by up to 32%, and finally repairing muscles and balancing hormones. Manufactured in FDA-approved facilities with non-GMO, gluten-free ingredients, it's safe for most adults, though we always recommend consulting your doctor if you're on medication. Right now, to celebrate its US launch, we're offering an exclusive deal. Get 3 months supply at 60% off plus free bonus guides. But this special price won't last long. Every order comes with our ironclad 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't see results, you get every penny back. The clock is ticking on this limited time offer, so click the link in the description or check the pinned comment below to order now before we sell out. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more health tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future reviews. Your journey to better sleep and effortless weight loss starts right here, right now. Take action today.